We'll guide you through how to delete an administrator account in Windows 11. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. There are different ways you can go about this, so make sure this full guide, as it will vary depending upon the administrator you're trying to delete, but we're going to guide you through it, so let's go and dive straight into this. So first of all, an administrator goes and has access to different privileges than a normal account. Perhaps you no longer want an administrator account on your computer, or you want to go make a new one and delete the current one. So we'll guide you through everything you need to know. To get started, you cannot be currently using the administrator account you're trying to delete. So if you only currently have one administrator, you need to first of all make a new one, which we'll go and do now. If you already are off the account you're trying to delete, that's fine, but we'll just go through this first part anyway. So you press the Windows button at the bottom, the Start button, and open up your settings. Now in here, you need to go over to the left and you need to go and find the option for accounts. Wait for this to load. You can see this account I'm currently using is administrator. Now we can go and scroll down and you need to go and find the option for other users and click here. So you can go and see if the account is administrator or go and say that. So if you want to go and create a new account, which you now want to be the administrator, you can press add account. It will ask you for a Microsoft account details, but I'll press I don't have this person's sign-in info as I want to make a local account. You probably want to do the same. Now it'll go and say about creating an account, but we'll press add a user without a Microsoft account. Add a name. So in this case, I'm going to type in video admin. Then we'll go and make a password like so. And you can then go and add in the security questions. Press next, and we've now made the account, as you can see. So to go and make this an admin for the replacement, you can go and click on it. Then what you can do is go and press change account type, press standard user, and you can select administrator and go and press OK like so. So that account's now an administrator. Then what you could do is go and press Control-Alt-Delete, sign out this account, and then you can go and log in with this one. So now when you're ready to go and delete the account, which you no longer want to be administrator on your computer, find the account. As I said, you need to be on the administrator account, which is why we just made it. Then you can go and click on it and you want to go and press remove like so. Then you can go and press delete account and data. As you can see, we're now deleting this administrator account and we should almost be successful. It's now gone. It's that simple. Now, you may be in the situation if we press the Windows Start button, you press your account name here, press the three dots. We've got an account called administrator, but it's not showing up in this list here because this is the main administrator account for Windows. So we can still go and remove this and deactivate it. To do that, you need to go and press search at the bottom, go and type in CMD, and then what you can do is go and right click on it and you can go and press run as administrator. Then you go and get a Windows security pop-up you need to agree with. Next, you need to go and type in this command here, net space user space administrator, like so, and press enter. Now you can go and see account active. Yes, we know that because it's popping up. And so then what you can then do is you can go and type in net space user space administrator / active : no. So go and deactivate it or not make it active. Press enter and it's now completed successfully. If you then press the Windows Start button at the bottom, I'll press my account and press the three dots, you'll go and see administrator is now gone. That's it. That's how you can delete administrator in Windows 11. If you found this useful and want to have more useful guides like this, make sure you consider subscribing and liking the video. We've got more guides like this to come, so make sure you go and stay tuned and feel free to go and check out the channel for more useful solutions.